Method 1. If you forgot passcode of your iPad and after multiple attempts stuck on the lock screen or your iPad gets locked or unavailable, then press and hold power button and then slide to power off your iPad. Then go to your PC or laptop and install iTunes. Take the cable which you received with your iPad, connect it to your PC and then plug it in the iPad. And then quickly press and hold home button and power button together to go into the recovery mode. Hold until you see the cable pointing towards the laptop logo. Then go to your PC and open iTunes application. iTunes window will pop up and you have to select restore option. Then click on restore and update. Then click on next, then agree. And the iTunes will start downloading the iPad software on the top right section. This will take a long time depending on your internet speed. Also, a very important note, while the software is being downloaded, the recovery mode on iPad has a timeout of only 15 minutes. So if the software is not downloaded under 15 minutes, the iPad will restart itself and you will be back to the lock screen again. This happened in my case. You do not have to worry, let the iPad be plugged in until the software gets downloaded completely. Then again press and hold power button, slide to power off. Unplug the iPad, plug the cable back in and press and hold power and home button together until you see the cable logo again. Now go back to your PC, close the iTunes application and open the iTunes application again. iTunes window will pop up again and then click on restore, then restore and update. Then the iTunes will automatically start the process of software installation from the previously downloaded file. You can now take a break and have some coffee because this will take almost 10 to 15 minutes to erase everything on iPad and install and update to the latest software. Once the installation is complete, a message will pop up in the iTunes confirming the factory reset settings. Now you can close iTunes and go to the iPad for setup process. It will ask for your Apple ID password which you used previously in your iPad and you are good to go to complete the setup process. Method 2. If you know the passcode of your iPad, go to the settings, then tap General, scroll all the way down and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Erase all content and settings. Tap on Continue and type the passcode of the iPad. Then iPad will start uploading data to iCloud. If you do not want the backup or already backed up your data, then tap on Skip Backup. Type your Apple ID password. Tap on turn off and tap on erase iPad. The factory reset process will take place and after few minutes your iPad will boot up to the setup page like you bought your new iPad. Complete the setup page and you're good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comments below.